Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Husky. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove backgrounds in photos using Adobe Photoshop 2023. So let's get right into it. First things first, go ahead and open the photo and go to your layer section on the bottom right. Hover over background, right click it, and select layer from background and press OK. That unlocks the layer, so now we're able to edit it. The tool we're going to be using today is the Magic Wand tool, and it is fourth down on the tools list. If it doesn't show up for you, you're going to click, hold, and then go down to the third option on the extra tool sidebar. And there you go. The most important thing to know about this tool is the tolerance. It's right here. So the higher the tolerance, the more it's going to select, but the less precise it's going to be. The lower the tolerance, it's going to be very precise, but it's not going to select all that you need. I think 50 is a good starting point. So right here, we want to get rid of this background. So I'm going to click, press delete, click, press delete. Again, click, delete, click, delete, click, delete. And there we go. So that's basically everything we need gone. However, you'll notice there's still some stuff left over. So we're going to go to our eraser tool right here. And we're just going to Alt and scroll in with the scroll wheel. Push those at the same time and zoom in. We're going to get rid of this leftover stuff. So we'll get rid of the bigger parts first. Okay. And then for right here, again, Alt zoom in. We're going to lower the size of it. That will allow us to be way more precise. We can even zoom in some more and see the individual pixels. Remember, you want to go with the natural cutout of things. So we still got a lot of stuff right here. And this is where playing with the tolerance will also come in too, because if you set it right, you won't have to do this, but for the sake of the video being, not super long, just thought I'd show you guys. All right, so there we go. We have the photo. The background is gone. Let's just say I wanted to put a different background in. I would go to File, Place Embedded. From here, you can find a bunch of different backgrounds. I could use this one. Press OK. Resize it. Then from here, you might notice there's some more stuff left over. So again, you can go back one more time. Make sure you have the right layer selected though. You can just go get rid of all this stuff, and I'll show you how to make it look a little more natural if you want. Right now, I'd be okay with that. That looks fine. But if you want it to look even better, I'm going to right click the subject of the layer, so that's the original layer we had. Go to blending options. Then you can go to drop shadow. You can play around with that, change the size, the opacity. And then also inner shadow is a good one too, but not for this one. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you get rid of the background on Adobe Photoshop. I want this to be quick and sweet. Otherwise, you want to be way more precise than I was with things, but that's just the gist of it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please check out my other ones. And yeah, see you guys next time.